Hey there, welcome back, guys. This video special thanks to Elaine from Silkland, who sent us this HDMI ultra high speed cable. We have at 8K and 60 hertz and 4K at 120 hertz at 48 gigabytes per second, which is phenomenal. And who doesn't need an ultra high speed cable, especially when we have a hub connected to our system here? You really want to have a really good quality cable that can also handle your data, like the high-speed USB-C, the high-speed other data cables we have connected. And in addition to that, the Silkland Ultra Certified cable, as you can see here, here are the specs once again, so you can see ultra high-speed HDMI, which is what I'm looking for this particular setup I have here, in case, sometimes you just don't know. But without any further ado, let's get started. Let's install this and see how it works with our current setup. This is how it comes, with a little sheet thingy here, little spec sheet from Silkland. As you can see, it's an 8K cable. Things are moving up. First, we went from 1080p, or actually 720, then 2K, 4K, no K, K pasa, man. It's like it's all hard to keep up with these special Ks, but now we're up to 8K, and who knows? Hopefully, down the line, when the DJI Osmos Action 6 comes out, it'll probably be 8K ready. So, will we? So, let's check this out, see what we have here. It's going to undo it. It's really good quality, and this will definitely be a great addition to the experience, especially when I stream. So, wow, yeah, it's about 6, yeah, about 6 feet and 6 feet, because I'm 6'2", so you definitely have enough space to run this through your wall and your television. We're just going to pull these off right here. Same, see? There we go. So this is going to be a little bit tricky for me because of the setup. I might have to coil it, but I'm going to plug it in. I should be able to finagle it so that everything works just right for you by only unplugging this thing right here, but we're probably going to lose the recording over there. So we'll just let that record what it needs. Got this thing right here. Hold this, pull the other one out next to it, and look at how you pull it out so that when you see it, this one can go back in the same way. Yay, we got it. Oh wow, oh my god, holy shit, oh my god, wow, it's night and day. I wish I saw, I've been living under a rock. Wow, holy crap. Yeah, I'm definitely keeping this. Thank you, Elaine. You've changed our life forever. Everything is crisper, clearer, cleaner. Let me stop this screencast. I don't need a new monitor with this cable, and I'm pretty sure if you order this on Amazon, there's usually a money-back guarantee. Here are the specs right here. Ultra certified cable, HDMI, ultra high speed, probably because it's faster and things are just speedier. 48 gigabytes, 4K at 120 hertz, and then 8K at 60 hertz. It's letting more light into the monitor and making this experience like a truer 4K HD. Definitely night and day, and I feel it. I feel like I'm getting a tan because the light is brighter coming out of the monitor, and I don't think I need to buy a new one, which is kind of neat, huh? So if you want to give your monitor, let me see, a second life, just get a cable. Get one of these cables for sure. And I can see the difference. It is typically night and day. There'll be a link to this in the description down below. But definitely kind of like when you have a phone and you didn't get the latest and greatest one, you get a new case and screen protectors, and it sort of gives it that second life to make it feel new. Well, this is better than that. This is simply taking you out of the Stone Ages and bringing your video experience, if you're editing or even watching television, making it more, giving it more of a kick. So if you want that more kick, more je ne sais quoi, definitely do this. I don't know what I'm going to do with that now. We have a little graveyard of cables happening over there, because sometimes if we buy a new Apple TV, a new something, and then we just, oh, I know where we have a cable, it's in there. or get one of these. Anyway, I hope this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.